The Harmandir Sahib, also known as Darbar Sahib, is a gurudwara located in Amritsar, Punjab. It is a prominent pilgrimage site of Sikhism called the Golden Temple. The term Harmandir in itself means the temple of God. The Golden Temple was built around Sarovar and was completed in 1577. The Sarovar is termed as the Amrit Sarovar or the pool of holy nectar. Guru Arjan Sahib got the foundation laid by Hazrat Mian Mirji of Lahore to lay its foundation stone and also placed a copy of the Adi Granth in Harmandir Sahib. The Golden Temple was invaded and destroyed several times, including once in 1757 and second in 1762. The construction for the existing Harmandir Sahib took place in 1764 and was completed in 1776. Maharaja Ranjit Singh visited the Golden Temple in 1802 and he was the one to lay it in marble and copper between 1820 to 1831 and overlaid it with gold foil by 1830, which led to the name the Golden Temple. The amount of gold used in the creation of the Golden Temple is 750 kilograms. There were some damages caused at the Golden Temple in early 1980s during a conflict between the Indian government and some Sikh groups. These damages were repaired after 1984. The Gurudwara's complex has been nominated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is pending on their tentative list. The entrance from all four sides signifies their importance in acceptance and openness. The Golden Temple roughly feeds nearly 40,000 people on a normal day, and during festive season the number of people generally cross above 1 lakh in a day. All the people having langar sit down on the floor, which also signifies that all are equal irrespective of caste, status or wealth.
Thanks for watching our videos. We work hard to make sure you keep coming back for the content we produce. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell icon below.